What's going on, fella? We're gonna be doing a live market analysis. And we're gonna be seeing what's happening in this market, man. So we're gonna start off with Bitcoin, man. As you know, everybody's waiting on the FOMC rate decision tomorrow. So the market is kind of been consolidating for either a breakdown or a break or a push up. Right now, you can see Bitcoin is down pretty decently. So we got a new high in this market, and we got a slight rejection. Probably people are trying to short up here, so we got this nice push down. So we got a nice support level at about 59,000. We can hold and go higher. Then we got the next support levels about from 50,000 to 46,000. So we got a nice little zone in here we could be potentially buying. So right in this zone is what we're looking at. Then we got support obviously down here at 30,000. Nice support level. So we're just looking for a higher low for the push higher. Right now, risk is still on. This market is still bullish to me. We just need a pullback. We're a little overextended at this point. So gonna be checking out the big dog. So we got we're gonna start off with Google. We're gonna see where Google is. Google had this huge gap up and rejection up here. So we kind of got this going. They're looking really bullish. Yeah, I don't see nothing bearish about this. So all the moving averages are up. We're still in the uptrend. Held to 20. Nice push-ups on the pre-market. They are actually, they're actually pushing up a little bit. So we got a little slight consolidation and a push-up bullish action for Google. And the market should be opening in about 6 minutes. So we're gonna check out the big dog, Microsoft, and we're gonna check them out real quick. We got Microsoft kind of fell down a little bit in the pre-market, so as you can see, we kind of just slightly came back down to support just the top of the range for Microsoft. So still bullish, still in this nice uptrend. We consolidating for a push up on Microsoft. I can see this thing up at about $500 by the end of the year. So Apple, it surprised me. The volatility has really surprised me on this one. So we kind of just sideways at this point. Broke out. Now we back sideways again. So we could see some more downside. I mean, could come to the middle of the range to about 150, 155, 156 area. This would be potential buy zone for Apple. People bought here around 168 because of the strong push up on Apple, but this chart still looks bullish to me. Nvidia, the other big dog. So Nvidia, man, it's like this thing just can't go down. I mean, this stock is unstoppable. So still in this nice uptrend. We're consolidating at this point. Kind of zoom out, you can see we were a little overextended, but I mean, all the moving averages are pointing up. I mean, any pullbacks should be met by buyers. So we got a nice buy zone at 617 from 600. We're just gonna say 600. Leave it at a whole number from $600 to about $700. Beautiful buy zone, 600 to $700. And then we got a buy zone around 830. People might start accumulating here, but this would be the ideal area. $700, $600 to $700. Anywhere in this area should be a beautiful buy zone for Nvidia. I doubt Nvidia's gonna crash. you know. So the outlook on this thing is crazy. So you can see we just sideways, nothing to see here pretty much. We were down for a minute, but we bounced at the bottom of this range down here on Nvidia. So we just kind of waiting to see what the market is gonna do tomorrow. So consolidation point here for the Qs. We did have some downside in the pre-market. Came down, retested this previous support level and fell all the way down to the bottom of the range. So we're pretty much in a downtrend at this point on the Qs. And the S&P is the same thing. They had some consolidation up here at this point. Oops. Can't see. Yep, so you can see we got nothing but consolidation up here for the S&P 500. In the pre-market, same thing. We kind of consolidated, then we got to push down in the pre-market. So back down to support will be around 509 area. So we're just waiting to see what they're gonna do today. Hopefully we get some price action, but that's all I got for you guys right now, man. We got some decent movement in the market, but market should be opening in about 2 minutes exactly. So the big dogs, we got some type of selling pressure on there, Bitcoin as well, but risk on until proven otherwise. So people keep talking about this market crash and all this. We'll see what happens. So I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Your job is not to predict the market, it's to find